This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another shoe custom video. This week's video is sponsored by a company called Catbeast. They make custom hats or beanies, so if you guys want to make a custom hat or beanie, go check them out. For the entire month of August, I'm going to be doing shoes other than Air Force Ones. So for this week's custom, I'm doing a pair of Jordan 1 mids. The theme I'm going for is a galaxy theme. These are a men's size 10.5, so if you guys want to buy them, they'll be for sale on Instagram at Sneaker Sniper Customs. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. We're only 20,000 away from 100K, and I'll be doing another giveaway when I hit that, so make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, let's get started with the custom.
So for this week's custom, I'm working on some all-white Jordan 1 mids. I know you guys told me to get high tops, but I'm cheap, so I got these instead. Using some acetone and cotton balls, I'm going to remove the clear coat on the shoes so I can paint on the actual leather. Now with some black Angelus leather paint, I'm going to paint the swoosh and some of the other panels black. Usually when I do this, I use tape to make sure I don't make any mistakes, but I'm filming this on a Friday night and the video goes live tomorrow, so I'm taking shortcuts. So now all the color blocking is done, so the next step is taping off the panels of the shoes for the galaxy design. This is what it'll look like when everything is taped off, and it takes like an hour to do, so I'm going to do it off camera. With some purple Angelus paint, some Too Thin, and my airbrush, I'm going to start laying down some color to build up the galaxy design. The next color I'm going to use is navy blue, and with that I'll fill in the remaining white areas. It looks best if you fade the navy blue into the purple, so if you don't have an airbrush it might be difficult to do this design. Now I'm going to use some pink and spray it into the middle of the purple spots to make it look like the Milky Way. The color's all down, so we finished building up the base coat. So far I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. The next step is to add some stars using some Angelus white paint. Instead of painting each star individually, I'm going to use a paintbrush and dip it into the white paint, and then use my finger to comb through the bristles. This will cover the shoe in white dots. The last couple steps are just adding small details so we can go ahead and take off the tape. It's kind of hard to see, but some of the black paint came off with the tape because I didn't wait long enough for the paint to dry, but that's easy to fix. Now I'm going to use my airbrush to add some pink stars, and then I'll go back in and add small white dots in the middle to make it appear like it's really bright. I'm not sure what these things are called, but I've seen them in pictures of space, so I decided to add it. I think it might be a supernova, but I don't know. Now the shoes are complete, so the last thing to do is add a finisher and then lace them up. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this custom, and if you want to buy them, hit me up on Instagram. That's it for this week's video, so I'll see you guys in the next one.
Someone's FaceTiming me. Yo, what's up, Kyle?
What's happening, dude?
I'm filming my intro right now. Say hey, this is your YouTube debut.